Each day in my life is a blend of routine and spontaneity, where the familiar rhythm of daily activities is occasionally punctuated by unexpected moments. My day typically starts early in the morning, just as the first light of dawn begins to peek through the curtains. The quiet tranquility of the morning is something I cherish, as it offers a brief period of calm before the day truly begins. I begin my day with a warm cup of coffee, the rich aroma filling the kitchen as I prepare for the tasks ahead. After a quick breakfast, I usually head out for a brisk morning walk. The cool morning air is refreshing, and the quiet streets allow me to collect my thoughts and mentally prepare for the day. This morning ritual is an essential part of my routine, as it gives me the clarity and focus I need to tackle whatever comes my way. Once back home, I dive into my work. My job involves a mix of creative thinking and detailed planning, so I often spend my mornings brainstorming ideas and working on projects. I find that my mind is sharpest during these early hours, and I try to make the most of this productive time. The hours seem to fly by, and before I know it, it's time for lunch. Lunchtime is a welcome break from the intensity of work. I usually keep it simple, a light meal with a salad or sandwich, something that's easy to prepare yet satisfying. After lunch, I like to take a short break, perhaps catching up on the news or reading a few pages of a book. This brief pause in the day helps to recharge my energy levels, preparing me for the afternoon ahead. The afternoon is often a time for meetings or more collaborative work. As evening approaches, I begin to wind down. I often spend some time on personal hobbies, whether it's cooking a new recipe, indulging in a bit of photography, or simply watching a favorite TV show. These activities help me relax and unwind after a busy day. Dinner is a time to sit down and enjoy a meal, often with family or friends. It's a moment to reflect on the day, share stories, and enjoy good food and company. After dinner, I take some time to prepare for the next day, organizing my thoughts, setting priorities, and making a to-do list. Before bed, I like to spend a few quiet moments reflecting on the day. I might jot down a few thoughts in a journal or simply sit in silence, letting the events of the day settle in my mind. This quiet time helps me transition from the busyness of the day to the peacefulness of sleep. A day in my life is a balance of work and relaxation, of structure and flexibility. Each day is different, yet each follows a pattern that helps me stay grounded and focused. It's the little moments, the smell of coffee in the morning, the satisfaction of completing a project, the laughter shared over dinner, that make each day unique and meaningful.
Spontaneity. This refers to the quality of being spontaneous, or acting on impulse without planning. In the context of the essay, it suggests that not all parts of the day are planned and that some things happen unexpectedly. Tranquility, a state of peace and calm. The phrase quiet tranquility describes the peacefulness of the morning, punctuated by to be interrupted or marked by something. For example, a routine day can be punctuated by unexpected moments. Peek through, to be slightly visible through an opening. The light peeks through the curtains, meaning it comes in a little bit. Cherish, to hold something dear or regard it with affection. In the essay, the tranquility of the morning is something that the writer cherishes. Brisk, quick and energetic. A brisk walk refers to a walk that is done at a fast pace. Ritual, a regular practice or routine that is followed, often with some personal significance, clarity and focus, mental sharpness, and the ability to concentrate. The morning walk helps the writer achieve clarity and focus. Brainstorming, the process of generating ideas, usually in a group or individually, often without criticism or evaluation at first. Collaborative, involving cooperation and working together with others. Collaborative work refers to tasks done with others, or often requiring teamwork. Dynamic, characterized by constant change, activity, or progress. The dynamic nature of interactions means that these exchanges are lively and continuously changing. Indulging in. Allowing oneself to enjoy the pleasure of something. For example, the writer indulges in hobbies, meaning they take time to enjoy their favorite activities. Unwind. To relax after a period of work or stress. The writer winds down in the evening by engaging in relaxing activities. Reflect on. To think carefully about something. In the essay, reflecting on the day means looking back and considering what happened during the day. Grounded. To be stable and balanced, both emotionally and mentally, a routine can help someone feel grounded. Transition. The process of changing from one state or condition to another. The writer transitions from the busyness of the day to the peacefulness of sleep.